So when you want to know if something is a factor or not, so it says, is this right here a factor of this? You have one of two choices. You could factor that and see if x plus 1 is one of them, or use synthetic division and see if you get a remainder of 0. So because this is a dividing by a thing that looks like x plus or minus some number, I can take this and use synthetic division, so opposite of that sign is -1, and if I get a remainder of 0, that means that that is a factor. So let's see. So if I draw my line here and I put my coefficients in there, so 1, I don't have an x squared, so that's 0, and then -13, and then -12, and let's see if I get 0. Let's fill this in. 1 comes down, 1 times -1 is -1, 0 and -1 is -1, -1 times -1 is 1, -13 and 1 is -12, -12 times -1 is +12, and you'll see here that when I do this, I get 0, which means that yes, that is a factor. If you were to get a remainder anything other than 0, then it would not be a factor. And that's how you determine whether or not it is a factor. You can do the same thing for 16, the same thing for 17. Just plug in whatever this is. Remember that it is the opposite of that. So it'd be, you'd put 2 here. Oops. You'd put a 2 there. And then fill in all this. Just make sure you don't skip any terms. So 6, 8, -34, -12. Bring this down. 6 times 2 is 12. 8 and 2 is 20. Times 2 is 40. -34 and 40 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And so, yes, we got 0 for a remainder, which means that this is a factor. And that is the rest of the notes. Please, 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 please try to attempt the practice problems that are in there under 4-4. And if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me or come into AL on Monday if you have any questions. Remember that by doing the homework assignments correctly, you do get those G-Bucks. So, thanks.